Hello guys, how's it going? It's 118GT coming at you with another review, another kind of video experience with another something on my 911. So on my 911 997, I've got a problem like this. Notice how I only got a connector like this, and I only could really use this on an old iPod or iPhone 4 or iPhone 4. iPhone from before that, which I don't have anymore. And I actually really like to listen to my tunes while I'm driving. So, you know, and I don't really play MP3s or CDs or anything like that anymore. And I only use Spotify. And a lot of cars, they have AirPlay and they can sync up with their phones and they're playing tunes. And here I am with like a 20,000, 30,000 plus pound car, and I can't actually do that. And people got a lot cheaper cars which can. So it's quite annoying. So I think this is applicable for people with Audis and Mercedes as well, and Volkswagen. If you've got a slightly older car and have the same problem, you've got like iPod interface, and basically this thing is called a Bovie 1000, Bovie. So it's an adapter which you could, Bluetooth adapter, which you could sync up and with your phone. So let's get it out and have a go on it. So it looks a bit like this. So it's just a dongle like that. And it's got the iPhone 4 connector on here. So you just plug it in. So once it's plugged in, you notice it's a little blue light here, it's flashing, so showing that it's on. So I think now I'll just turn on my radio here. So we've got the radio on, so now I need to connect with my phone. So I just turn the Bluetooth on, and I go to settings, I go to Bluetooth here, and I just hopefully wait for something which calls Bovie. It's waiting for a few seconds. Come on, let's go. Okay, so I've got something called a headset here. I don't think that is it. Let's turn it on, go to Bluetooth, connect. It might be headset. Let's see what happens when you connect. Might turn to Bovie. So I think this will be 4 zeros if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there you go, it's connected. Bovie 1000. So it's connected. So now what I got is, it just had a little sign saying iPod ready, and I'll go to source, I change your iPod, and now it's already playing my tunes from Spotify already. So I could change my tunes here. So no funny comments about my music tastes. So yeah, no, this is really cool, and you know, the music quality sounds good as well. The bass is good, quality is good. There's really no problems with it. It's really a must-have. It's about £80, and I got this from Amazon, so it's really a must-have. So definitely go out and get one, and enjoy your Spotify. See you later. Quite an accurate representation of a 991 GT3 RS in terms of Lego pieces, and I will show some comparison of this later on compared to the real thing.